Centuries ago, Thomas Aquinas wrestled with the deepest mysteries of mind, soul, and what it means to understand. But what can he teach us about something similar but synthetic? The development of artificial intelligence raises questions both ancient and new.
Hello everybody, I'm Michael Augros. I teach at Thomas Aquinas College and my field is philosophy.
What does it mean to know? What is a person? What is the difference between real and artificial?
What are we to make of arguments concluding that artificial intelligence can really think and understand?
This series explores the collision of medieval wisdom with modern technology.
That's Aquinas' teaching on the subject, and we explored his reasons for it back in video.
And draws a clear division between the mind